I just wanted to do a quick video because I have something that's bothering me with my hair sometimes, where I do this kind of hairstyle and I feel like my hair is way too much on my forehead and I'm scared to get pimples or whatever. So what I do is actually I use my edge band from my brand. So you can check it out at taniatsn.com, of course. But today I'm going to show you how I use it when my hair are actually bothering me or too much in my face, but I still want to keep them down. So first I put my hair back like that so that I can actually not touch any curls and not damage my curls. And then I'm simply going to put it on my forehead. And then I'm going to pass it behind my ears. All of this while putting my hair outside of the edge band. And so right now I'm just going to go ahead and tie it behind my ear here. And so once attached, I'm just gonna put my edge band back. And so here it is, and so after I can just either put my hair back like that and then really put it back, or like do something like that with my hair so that it looks decent at least. So now I won't have my hair with the lotion touching my face, and that will avoid having any pimples while wearing your hair out. So that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, so this is just a quick update on my website. I did it again all from scratch. So I just wanted to show you a little bit what you can find on there. You can find some blog posts. Most of my videos are actually also in a blog post where you can find over here on my website. But you can also find my shop on my website where you can actually shop all my Naturally Me items as well as my handmade items from the Tania TSN African fabric line, where you can find edge band, puffy bands and queen caps. Don't hesitate to go check it out, and I hope that you will like it.